Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Dashay. Thank you so much for returning for part 2. This is me cleaning at night after I had already put the kids to bed. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. Okay, so it's late. The kids are in bed and I have a project. My kids normally eat at this table downstairs and it looks so disgusting. It looks absolutely gross. From like all of the food and everything that they eat during the day. And honestly, I haven't scraped this clean in forever. I just wiped down the glass and let that be that. But tonight I will be scraping this clean and getting it back to brand new as I sit in my room and watch America's Next Top Model. Bye. So, not even gonna lie, it took me about a good hour and a half to clean this table. And when I say it took a good time to scrape all of the old food and everything like that, I will never let this table get that bad again. Okay, so this is the next day, and I'm just going to clean the bathroom and straighten up my room, and that's about it.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes, her just perfect. Yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend of a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache. I'll do it all over again. for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Um, Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you come back for another video. Thank you so much. Bye.